Then London, in a strange room, with telephone numbers. I see you pushing on through a spitting London rain, past the black-painted, rust-spotted, wet metal railings enclosing the grass in a lonely residential square, pushing along in the rain to a boy you loved or thought you did, who loved you back or thought he did. You were edgy with uncertainty, the promise of togetherness and imminent aloneness. "'Cause you know as well as I do, I can never think of anyone but you," went the song. Alone in buses and trains, reflecting, questing, staring at the distance, always seeking something, someone, somewhere else perhaps. You heard the silence beat behind the bustle and the rain, beating on, while you rushed through the rain to some suburban street you'd never seen before, and yet would see a few more times, a few, and the system of the city worked around you, oblivious. Sure, you'll be all right, you thought, but where was the outside lightning to answer yours that always seemed to flash alone without direct reply? And your symphony revolved within you, underneath the plane trees and past the wet railings as the rain pattered on. Then, by and by, Kim, your face in the rain. Last chance on the stairway, alone in the social whirl. I'll never see your eyes again. Dance away.